Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, new coupons have reset and there also is some new coupons, so definitely get this done if you guys need it. So I'm going to print off the chic coupons because you never know when you're going to get them. I've noticed my inserts, I never get them anymore. We have the $3 off of Vino, which I'm going to print those off because you never know. I do have a printer where I barely pay for anything to print, so that's why I print so many coupons, you guys. If you guys look and see, I did make a video what kind of printer I use, so you guys can check that out. It's worth the investment. Give me one second. Okay, you guys, I have Miss Charlotte in my hand, so if you hear baby noises, there you go. So all the Aveeno coupons reset that I printed off. Now they did add some new ones, the Aspercream. If you guys need that, there is $1 off that one. They added the Icy Hot. We have $1 off, 50 off of that one, $1 off that one. An Icy Hot Smart Relief. That's an $8 off coupon, but I bet you those are kind of expensive. A $2.50 off of 2 Aspercream. Lots of Claritin coupons. The Arm & Hammer reset. And that's only lets you print it off once, so I'm going to print that off again just in case there's some deals. Usually there's deals at CVS with that. The Huggies, $1 off, 50 cents. Those look like they reset, but I'm not printing them off. Now they did add a Dunkin', $1 off any Dunkin' coffee product. That is a new coupon. The Angel Soft looks like it reset. All the Gerber ones that I printed have reset, but there are some that did disappear. But you know, we got $1.50 off of 4 if you guys need Gerber. So thank you guys for whoever has been sending me coupons. I haven't gone to my post office yet, but we didn't have mail yesterday, so I will definitely check those out, but I like to have food in advance. But other than that, that is pretty much it on coupons that reset and new coupons. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, you guys. Everything's gone, so I have nothing left. So a lot of them did reset. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.